Assalamualaikum and very good evening to our classmates. My name is Luqman Hakim bin Haris, number metric A208802. For my introduction, I would to I would to like I would to talk about cultural and historical in Thailand. These activities make learning more fun and not boring, and they also help students understand Thailand better by combining culture and history together. In Thailand, people do not only learn from textbooks, they also learn through real life experience. This makes learning more interesting because students can actually see the experience what they are learning about. Temples are important learning place in Thailand. Places like Wat Phra Kew and Wat Po are not only religious sites but also place where people learn about Thai culture and history. When visiting these temples, people can learn about Buddhist and Thai beliefs through wall paintings and statues. These artworks tell stories about values and life in the past. Beside, beside the temples, historical sites such as Ayutthaya and Sukhothai help people understand how old Thai kingdoms were formed and how people lived many years ago. Thailand also uses cultural activities as educational activities, such as traditional Thai dance, music, silk weaving, and Thai cooking. Through these activities, people can understand the meaning behind Thai traditions. For the conclusion, these cultural and historical with educational activities are very important to us. They help the younger generation appreciate Thai culture, stay connect to their history, and make sure this heritage is not forgotten. And thank you for all.